Nearly 40 years after his tragic passing, legendary Ozzy Osbourne guitarist Randy Rhoads will be honored with the Musical Excellence Award from the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Ozzy is glad to see his friend and bandmate being included in the Rock Hall's 2021 class. "I'm so happy that Randy's genius, which we all saw from the beginning, is finally being recognized and that he's getting his due," Osbourne said during a conversation with Premier Radio Networks. "I only wish he was here in person to get this award and that we could all celebrate together. It's really great that Randy's family, friends, and fans get to see him honored this way." After initially beginning his career in Quiet Riot, recording on the band's self-titled first album as well as the follow-up, Rhoads became Osbourne's guitarist in 1979. He'd contribute to two of the legendary rocker's most celebrated solo efforts, 1980's Blizzard of Oz and 1981's Diary of a Madman. Along the way, Rhoads became known as one of the greatest guitar gods in rock. Rhoads had a distinctive style that influenced generations of future musicians. He died tragically in a plane crash in 1982 at just 25 years old. Thanks for watching. Before you go, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, your one stop for all the best news and history of classic rock.